guys, welcome back to Tay Deco. My name's Taylor. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and today I have another epic Goodwill Bins thrift haul. So I think this is 2 times going to the bin. So I have some things hung up behind me, and then I also have a basket over here that is loaded with goodies that doesn't fit on my rack again. So I'm gonna go over these first, and then we'll get into this big basket. Again, I'm gonna kind of go a little bit quicker on some of the items that are more like bread and butter, and then if I have really good keywords that I can remember and things like that, then I'll definitely talk a little bit more on the items. So starting out, I have this awesome J.Jill coat. Now this is like a vintage J.Jill label, you can see there, and it is an extra small. So I don't love selling extra smalls in J.Jill, but this coat was just so beautiful that I could not say no to it. It has this beautiful threading here and like the fur details, it's faux fur, and then on the cuffs, like I love this kind of thing. So this was really cool, very substantial. I'm hoping it sells in the fall. That would be awesome. It is 62 wool, 38 polyester, and then faux fur. Yeah, I love the color, and this is just really in right now, so this is really cool. Okay, next I found this Free People wrap dress. This should definitely sell, I'm hoping, this spring and the summertime. Very like classic, easy, little flutter wrap dress. Okay, this was a new to me brand. This was called Utility Canvas. So that's the brand, Utility Canvas, and it says made in the USA, and they were these overalls, like very like workwear. These are some keywords that I would use. Americana, barn wear, country, utilitarian, utility. So there is a flaw. It is missing buttons on this side. So 2 of the buttons are missing here, which is such a bummer. I didn't realize that until I got home. Yeah, I don't think there was any extra buttons either. Like inside, sometimes they keep extra buttons, but I don't even think there was any in there, so I'll definitely have to list that flaw. This brand was going for pretty decent when I was looking at comps online. So that was pretty cool, but yeah, just I'm really bummed out about the 2 buttons missing, but we'll see. Okay, this sweater is so beautiful. I really thought this was like a higher end designer. This is Topshop, and this just looks so cute. Like even the material feels really good, and the color is like so vibrant and bold, very gently used. The material is 35 polyester, 31 alpaca, so I'll definitely be using alpaca as a keyword, and then 31 wool, 3 elastane. So yeah, I mean, I could tell that this was definitely had some nice material in it when I saw it, so that's really cool that there is some alpaca in this. The size is a size US 12, so that's great, and it's definitely like this oversized, boxier fit. I would even say it's like slightly cropped, not really, but just a little bit. So really cool. I really like this. Hoping this sells in the fall. Okay, I'm definitely keeping these for myself. These are Adidas track pants, and I love the colors. So it's like this darker, or no, it is black. I thought it was a navy, but it's definitely black, and then it has like this yellow color, which, is it butter yellow? I think that's a trending keyword. Butter yellow. Like I think that's a color that people are wanting to wear. I'm pretty sure it's butter yellow, which definitely is this color. So that was awesome. But this is vintage Adidas. So the year, it says 1006. So in 2006 these were made. They definitely have like that little flare at the bottom that we used to like when we were all in high school. If you're my age, I graduated in 07, so that was like this was definitely a cool pant when I was in high school, and when I put them on, because these fit me so well, it definitely brought back some memories. So I'm definitely going to put these in my personal closet. I love these pants so much. Even like the fabric, like awesome. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is just an Eddie Bauer snap button fleece pullover sweatshirt. These are Athleta, cinched side, boy short, swim bottoms. Victoria's Secret lacy bra. Cutter and Buck pullover, like quarter zip men's fleece sweatshirt. I've never sold this brand. I'm trying it out. So if you guys have sold this, let me know. I'm hoping this does okay. I feel like it's a very nice piece. Gently used. I can use keywords like golf. I know that's really hot right now for the men. So yeah, and it was an extra large, so we'll try it out. Okay, going over into my pile on the floor. Oh, I found this awesome find. Okay, so this was All Saints. And it's this like parka, very lightweight, breathable jacket. It was a size medium, made in Turkey. Definitely more of a dated piece, but I'm not going to say no to All Saints at the bins. 80% viscose, 20 polyamide, so yeah, I mean, this color is pretty in. It's very substantial, oversized fit with the hood. And like I'll use keywords again like utility, cargo. I think those are very like trendy keywords right now. Okay, next I got this dress. This is so stinking cute. This is Calvin Klein and it's a maxi dress. It's in great condition. It has like this cinched detail at the waist. I thought that was really cute. And then flutter sleeves, which is a great keyword. This is a size 8, which I think is great. And I really think that this will do well because this is a reputable brand. People trust this brand. They know it. It's a very substantial piece. And I think if somebody needs to go to a wedding or something like that, they'll be searching for something like this. So I think this was a great pickup. Next, I have this Abercrombie & Fitch little like off-the-shoulder polka dot dress. Again, guys, I heard from Emma Chamberlain that polka dots are going to be trending, so that was one of the reasons I picked this up. I think this is the older Abercrombie & Fitch tag, or it's an older style. It's not like very recent, but I feel like this is timeless, classic with like the navy blue and white polka dots. It's a size medium tall. Again, just got this in the bins. I mean, it has boning, so I feel like that's a nice added feature to the dress. And then I think it's a linen blend. 55% linen and then viscose, 45% viscose. So I can use that keyword linen. I definitely think that this will sell in the summertime. Okay, next I got this Abercrombie & Fitch. It's like a fuzzy cardigan. This is the soft A&F collection, and it's actually new with tags, so that was why I picked this up, because it was brand new, so that was pretty good. And then I got this by Anthropologie metallic threaded turtleneck sweater. This is a size small, super cute, very classic. I can use keywords like holidays, New Year's Eve. I mean, this might take a while to sell, but it's fine. Okay, I found this cute little two-piece set. So here's the shorts and then the top. They're both a size medium, and it's from this Sugar and Lips, which I'm pretty sure is like a boutique-y brand. So I'm not like so excited, but since I found the set and like we're in the season for this kind of thing, I definitely will just list this for maybe like $25-30. Okay, I did find some shorts. So I found these 501 Levi's. These were just an easy thing to throw in my cart. I definitely think they'll sell for the summer. And then I found these Banana Republic, just like an everyday classic short. These are in great condition. They're called the Authentic Chino, and they're in a size 6. Okay, this is Zara, and I just feel like this is in style with all the smocking and ruffles and ditzy type print, very feminine, preppy, girly, really cute. This is a size medium. And then I found this military type style tunic shirt. This is by PJ Salvage, and it has all of these stars all throughout. It's kind of like a longer line. I don't know if this is a dress. Maybe this is supposed to be a dress. But it definitely is giving like military vibes, I would say. And this is a size medium, so we'll see how this does. Okay, I got this for myself. This is just a cute little halter top. The brand is Promessa, which I think this is boutique-y brand, but I kind of just got this for the style. I think this would look cute with like a tucked in short or something. Okay, next I got this new with tag dress. So this is called SLNY, SL Fashions New York, size 18. And it's kind of this like bridesmaid dress, long sleeves. I think it has a slit in the front. I mean, very cute. It has the tie. Again, it's new with tag. So I felt like just based off of the size, the substantial value of it, and then the new with tag. That's why I picked this up. Okay, I got this Bowden dress. This is so cute, but there is a stain in the front. I'm hoping that I can stain treat this and it'll be good as new. We'll see how that goes. And yeah, it's a size 10 long. So I think that'll do pretty well if I can get that stain out. Okay, next I got this Polo Ralph Lauren puffer men's button-up vest. The inside is down feathers, so that's definitely a good keyword that I'm going to use. Also, this is reversible, so I can take photos of this angle or the other one. And then the tag, if you guys don't know, on reversible items, the tag is always in a pocket. I learned that the hard way by throwing something back that I shouldn't have. Okay, next I got this beautiful Nordstrom 70% wool, 30% cashmere, like a wrap. I think this is like one size fits all. It's just like very flowy, very comfortable. I definitely checked this over. I know that there's some markings, like there's definitely some markings on this. I did not see any holes. Look at this, I'm finding more oh wait, this is just fuzz, so that's easy. Yeah, there's another marking over here. But I mean, this is just such a high quality piece. So I have a hard time saying no when I'm at the bins, and I feel like people love this kind of thing. It's just like so comfy, cozy, snuggly, high quality, all natural fabric and materials. So yeah, I'm gonna have to, oh, there's some stains right by the cuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna spend some time stain treating, or I might just take a bunch of photos, talk about it in the listing, you know, that kind of thing. So we'll see. Okay, this, guys, you know I love selling Azazie. So I found an Azazie dress at the bins, size 20. This one is so stinking cute. It has like the sweetheart neckline, and then I think these kind of like go off your shoulder a little bit, like that cute little kind of look. And this is a navy blue dress. It has a slit, and it's in great condition. I love, love, love selling this brand. This is such a good piece. So this is Cool Han, and it's all 100% down feathers. Guys, look at how long this is. Like, this is like brushing the floor whenever I tried it on. It's a size medium. There is a marking in the front. Where is it? I mean, it really is in great condition, but there is a marking. I did see, I mean, it wasn't anything crazy. Right here. Like a kind of the smallest tear in the front at the bottom. It's like the tiniest hole, and then there's a marking there. But guys, I am confident that this will sell in the fall or the winter time. This is such a good coat. I know black puffer coats with down filler, those do excellent in the fall. Next, I have this teal or turquoise Lulu's long evening dress, or you know, maxi cocktail dress. I mean, I feel like this is just like a classic piece. And it's in great condition. And then it kind of has this mermaid, you know, at the bottom, it flares out. So I think this is really cute. It's a size small. I'm very selective when it comes to this brand, but because this is so substantial, I like the color. It's very classic looking, and I got it at the bins. Those are the reasons I picked this up. Next, another coat, guys. This is awesome. This is a very popular style within J.Crew. Now, this is J.Crew factory, but I still think that this will do well in the fall. Guys, I'm picking up coats because I know when the fall comes, I'm going to be shipping out a bunch of coats, and I'm going to love it, and I'm going to be thanking myself for picking up these coats at the bins. This is in great condition. You can tell by this fur. Everything looks so good on this coat. I could not say no to it, even though we are out of season. Definitely picking up this kind of stuff when I come across it. Next, I must have been drawn to this color at the bins this day. Athleta 100% linen wide leg pants. Really awesome find. Okay, this was a little bit dated, but I think it does look pretty classic, and people like this brand a lot. Banana Republic size 4. And this isn't the factory label or anything like that. So for that reason, you know, I did pick this up. It's kind of like a midi length. Really cute. It has like these little ruffle sleeves, very like modest looking. I think that this will sell eventually. Might not go for a crazy amount, but I think that was a good pickup. Next, I picked this up for my husband. It's just a Banana Republic, kind of like a polo, 100% cotton. So wash that. Okay, this was a great find. This was Chubby's shorts for men. These do pretty well. I definitely think that these should go, you know, coming up in the next few weeks. Hopefully. Okay, I got this just due to, you know, how substantial it is and how well made it is. So this is Banana Republic. Again, you know, this is a little bit dated, but I think it's classic. So this is a size medium, and it has like this textured fabric to it. I do have the tie. That was one of the reasons I got it. So it has like this belt that goes with it. So yeah, I think this will look really cute if I can get like a cute little photo with it and take like a flat lay photo of this and make it all cute with the belt. So yeah, I think that'll do really well. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this for myself, but I don't know. So this is Max Mara, Weekend Max Mara, made in Italy, size medium, and it is, the majority is wool. So this was a great find. There is a flaw. There was a hole in the armpit. Oh, here. Yeah, it's not even that crazy. So definitely a small little hole there. But I do think this is so cute. It's like this little mock neck, cropped. The color is gorgeous. This is such like a deep, beautiful color. That's what really drew me to it. So I think I'm going to keep this and wear it in the fall just because it's such a nice piece. And I like to keep some nice things for myself. But yeah, I can sell it after I wear it a few times. And I also need to freshen it up and like lint roll it, like steam it, use my sweater shaver. So, you know, it'll take a little bit of work to get it freshened up. Okay, I figured I could just throw this up. This is again that brand Promesa, but it's new with tag. And I just felt like this was super cute. Just this little summer spring dress. So we're gonna just try this out. I'm not expecting a ton, but you know, it was new with tags. I like the style a lot, so we'll see. Last but not least, guys, I have a pair of Athleta shorts that are size 8. Again, I just picked these up because of the season and the brand, everything like that, so yeah. Okay guys, that was everything I wanted to show you in this bins haul. Let me know what your favorite items were. Also, let me know how your bins trips have been going. What are some cool things that you've been finding lately? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!